Howdy crew, working on some holders for a golf tournament. Organizer of a golf tournament wanted me to work on some of these. So this is where you had a paper or whatever you do your scoring on. This will hold a little pencil, but they wanted to have measuring tapes attached to this somehow. And obviously it's gonna have to be on the back side. So what I'm gonna do is just grind off some of the powder coating right here where the pencil is supposed to go, on the bottom and on this side. And what I'm gonna do is just get some angle iron, make about rough 1-inch cuts. I'm not even gonna really measure it, just about 1 inch, so that way TIG weld onto here and then up here, so it gives it a little bit extra stability. It's just gonna go and slide in, and the organizer's gonna take care of the powder coating and all that. They just wanted it welded, so that's what I'm gonna do.
Howdy crew, I'm William Morris, President and CEO of the Welding Cowboy Corporation, certified licensed welder and owner-operator of a welding rig based out of Los Angeles, California. On here I'll be going over welding knowledge, what it's like to own and operate a welding rig, welding blueprints, welding math, welding equipment, and so much more. Welcome to the channel. I'm William Morris, the Welding Cowboy. To make things go by quicker and to stay safer, I prepped the entire leg of the angle iron to be welded before cutting. Reason I did this is because then I would have approximately 9 1-inch lengths where I'd have to grind a leg on the outside and then on the inside leg as well as the edge. It was much easier to do this as one long stick and then cut it. So I measured where I'd approximately be cutting off to at the end and just grinded that entire area, prepped it for the TIG welding so it was nice and clean, and then cut it. Just saved time and it was much safer.
The angle iron has been cleaned up, 9 pieces, 3 per whatever these things are called. I don't know what they are, but anywho's, just gonna go ahead and grind off some bit of a stretch there, bit of a stretch here, and a bit of a stretch right here. And so that way these will have a nice clean surface to be welded, and that's what it's gonna look like. So it's gonna be great. And it's very thin material, very, very thin. That's why I'm TIG welding it. And pretty easy, but I'm not gonna MIG this out. I don't want whatever happened there to be happening. So I don't know who made these, but yeah. All of these critters have been prepped. So I grinded the spots where they're gonna be, also a little bit on the edges just to have a little bit of extra room in case I need to put it more towards the edge. But I didn't want to stay very long with the grinder on it because it's not the world's thickest material, as y'all can see, and that is with the powder coating on it. So it's all ready to be TIG welded now. very happy with these. They turned out really good. And again, it's very thin metal, so I was, as y'all can see, having a penetrating all the way through, but also, that's a good thing, penetrating all the way through. So, looks good. It didn't come through the other side of the angle irons. Flip this over. So, as y'all can see, it's not really showing too much on that side, but I did get the edges, so it's gonna hold up. It's gonna be perfectly fine. Let me go ahead and show what it's gonna do. So, I'm just gonna be holding these just like so. So they can be carried around a golf course and they're not going anywhere. And that is why I put one higher than the other on the sides, just so it gives a little bit more security, because I didn't have the most room with that pencil holder. So that's why I did that on all of them, just to give it a little bit extra security. It's not gonna roll out or anything like that. And it does just slide right out. Very happy with that. Looks great. And ready to get on to the next project.